There, one side, actually Tirupati Balaji there. What to choose? One side Krishna, one side Tirupati Balaji. To whom I go? Radha Krishna one side and Tirupati Balaji one side. Sure. That means you are real Gaudiya devotee. Madhav, what do you want to say?
I will go where you go.
Very difficult answer. Clever, full answer. Yeah. This is the so that supreme King Prataparudra, how fortunate he is. There is no question. Don't think that Lord Chaitanya is lying down, tired. In that way, he get opportunity. He's taking advantage. Not like that. If Lord doesn't want, He will not allow us to do anyway. He will not allow us to do any seva. So Lord accepting him. And that meaning of the song is such a nice. Tava katha amrita. Your glories, nectarian glories. If anybody listen, it's life awakened. Our life sleeping, we may think we get up, right? We wake up. You know the Uttishtato, Jagrato, Prapta Baren. You know this Kathopanishad? Do you read Kathopanishad? The Kathopanishad is the first sloka. Uttishtato. Get up. Otho, get up. Jago, wake up. So who already get up? Why Vasudev says, wake up again? That's just like Bhaktivinoda Thakur, I have to see. Just see Bhaktivinoda Thakur. What he said. Jeev jago. Gora chanda bole. Jeev jago. O living entities. Jago, wake up, wake up. Koto nidra jao maya. Means what? Koto nidra jao maya pisha chirokole. Outwardly we can say we get up, we wake up. But if we don't know the mystery of this material world, we are thinking this is my duty. I have to do it, finish it, right? You know, these people, all the material people, especially in Bengal, I don't know here, their conception is young life for enjoyment. Everywhere. When you become old, inactive, cough coming from your mouth, nose is touching here in the lips, that time the perfect time to serve Lord. Yeah. That is the conception. Youth age, you have to enjoy. That is the conception of Maya world, material world. But as soon as you can see nowadays, Harikatha session going on from different website, you can see so many young, like Shobhadra, Samapriya, Haripriya, they are youth, right? This time they should go. Yeah? Why they are sitting here? Because they are life awakened. Chief job. Huh? So, tapakatham tapto jivanam. Life, life really, real manner awakened. Tapto jivanam. Kabi bhidi ritam kalmashapayam. Kalmash, unwanted mundane desire. Kalmash. What kalmash? Unwanted mundane desire. What? Our life is fresh, nice, fresh cloth, fresh uniform, body have nice fragrance, right? Perfume. Are you using perfume? No perfume, deodorant? No, never. Not now, right? But anyway, this is good because we are follower of Sringar Ras. Sringar Ras means should be clean, fragrance should be there, not like a bad smell like my body. Fact, one day I was in Costa Rica, in his country. So there is Ramesh Prabhu, I think you may know him, right? Ramesh Prabhu, he wants to take me to one of his friend's house, and he's come close to me, and then he brought me one athor. Athor means one nice fragrance scent, perfume. And Prabhu, why? You need. And why, Prabhu? Then he said, Prabhu, Maharaj, we are going one house, they are not devotee. Or bad smell coming from your body. I really, that he donate me this much. I use it almost 9-10 years, this much, little bit. Then last year he gave me one. Only this much, twice or thrice I use when I feel really bad smell. So anyway, fragrance is good. Don't think it is bad. Yeah, you have to use. We are follower of Sringar Ras. Decoration, clean body. It's good. But kalmashapayam. Outwardly looks like very nice. Nice outfit, nice body, nice fragrance. But our tendency, so much envy. Envy is good, Prabhu? Sarvadi Prabhu. Envy.
Poison.
What poison? Severe poison, right? Severe poison. This is the kalamash. Everybody have. Therefore Bhaktivinoda Thakur chanted one song. Amar jivan sada pape rato nahi ko punnera le. Do you know the song? My life always involved with sinful activities. There is no tiny bit. Which punno means virtual activities. Porere udbeg diachi je koto diachi jive roklesh. Always my tendency to keep anxiety for others. Always giving anxiety. Instead of comfort, you can say another way, Instead of become helpful to others, we are trying to become harmful to others. Harm. But this is our tendency. Paro sukhe dukhi. When anyone happy, that make me feel distress. Am I right? Paro dukhe sukhi. When I look anybody in distress, that make me happy. This is Vaishnava nature. When this thing going on in our inner consciousness, you have to know the kalmas is there. Kalmasapayam, Hari Katha, Hari Nam, Vaishnava association, it will completely destroy. It will completely destroy. That is real charity. We are thinking charity, we are considering the charity means to feed some poor people, right? Offering cloth, dresses to poor people. Am I right? I think you feel like that. No? Why? Real charity to awaken the life of living entities. Life and soul. Who? Lord. To give connection. Means, you know this, Bhaktivinoda would explain. Bhuliya tomare sangsare ashiya pena nabido betha tomar charane ashiachi ami bolibo dukhero katha bhuliya tomare. I forget you, Lord, I forget. That is the reason I am here. Samsar means this attachment I have because I forget you. This material world is a dukhalayam. Dukhalayam means what? Happiness. What? House of distress, anxiety. Dukhalayam. You can see everyone more or less in distress. Tritap, misery caused by body and mind. Misery caused by other living entities. Misery caused by natural calamities. Advatmik, Adibhautik, Adidoivik, Sanskrit word, respectively. That is always here. So, always, if you don't think you are householder, you are in distress, I am sannyasi, I have no distress. I have distress also, same thing. I think I have more than you. Am I right, Prabhu? Sarvadi Prabhu? You know, Bhaktivala Tirtha Goswami Maharaj used to say, every person is like a problem. When we are thinking that I am alone, if I marry, I can be happy. So boy marry girls. So two problems together, problem increase or decrease? 2% together, then they are bringing 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Like my grandfather brought 11 11. His children was 11 children. 8 daughter, 3 son. Can you imagine? She is tired only with one, right? But my grandmother 11. But his family apparently looks like problems. But he was, in spirit, he was really happy. My grandfather, Madan Mohan Prabhu, he was always, whatever happening in this world, material world, his business going to loss, running is loss, so much money. This Prabhupada desire. He was such a faith on Srila Prabhupada, his Gurudev Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta. Everything done by Prabhupada. So what Prabhupada does, everything beneficial for us. When profit, says Prabhupada gave me profit. Yes. So, even no rain, it's a Prabhupada's desire. My grandmother sometimes angry on him. I call Prabhupada. Grandmother that not that much inclined, but she was initiated, but not that much inclined. The Guru Bhakti, what is the meaning of Guru Bhakti? I saw him. If you read so many sloka, no value for them, for him. If you say anything what Prabhupada says, you are a good person. His perfection like this way. He used to measure people accordingly in this way. If you are not speaking anything about Prabhupada, your Harikatha have no value. It was his nature. Bharati Goswami Maharaj, my grandfather liked Bharati Goswami Maharaj. Why? Because when he go to our home, he always speaking about Prabhupada's Upadeshamrita, Prabhupada's Gaudiya. He quote of everything from him, from that books. Therefore, my grandfather liked him. He used to say, Bharati Maharaj is self-realized person, Jivan Mukta Purush. So Harikatha coming from should be from realized soul. Then that Katha will awaken our soul. Yeah. Tava kathamritang tapta jivanam kavi bhediritang kalmasapayam. Kalmat. Name, material name, fame, distinction, appreciation, recognition, it will not affect me. I will not run behind that. Who has such tendency? He has to know his kalmas finish. Then Sravana Mangalam. Listen Harikatha from the lips of pure devotee. I can give an example. My spiritual master, His Divine Grace, used to say, sometime people, evening time, Prabhupada giving Harikatha, and some devotees, they are going out of the Harikatha. Then Prabhupada asked him, why you are leaving? Why you are going? I said, Prabhupada, they have time for Gayatri. Then Prabhupada replied, so Harikatha going on. This Harikatha not your Annik, Gayatri. So Harikatha from the lips of pure devotee, an equivalent, it is equivalent of chanting Gayatri, chanting Harinam. Harinam kalmash, cutting all the dart upon heart. And Harikatha, coming from pure devotees' lips, that is also curing the dart of our heart. Sometimes I saw people are chanting during Harikatha. Why? Because I have to finish 16 or 32 or 48, right? No, I'm not a pure devotee. So they can chant, no problem. But pure devotees, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, my spiritual master, they are pure. So, Kalmasapayam Harikatha, which is real charity. Not like a charity offering dresses, offering some, like today or yesterday someone sending me one caption. Real charity is to changing our material tendency. What is our actual tendency? Material tendency, material gain. মানে বেঙ্গলি ক্যাপশন ইসে জীবের বিপরীত রুচিকে পরিবর্তন করাটাই বিপরীত রুচি মিন্স হোয়াট ম্যাটেরিয়াল টেন্ডেন্সি অলওয়েজ থিঙ্কিং অ্যাবাউট ম্যাটেরিয়াল গেইন দ্যাট হোয়েন ইউ আর এবল টু টার্ন ইট ফ্রম দ্য আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং অফ ম্যাটেরিয়াল গেইন always when they are thinking about spiritual gain, that is called real charity. That is called real bhurida. Gopis, that is real bhurida. Te bhurida jana. As soon as he says bhurida, then immediately Lord embrace. Before he was rejecting King Prataparudra. Now embracing. Means what? Hari Katha's attraction. Hari always there. And this is coming from where? It originally coming from the mouth of gopis. Gopis, they are chanting for searching Krishna. Braja Gopi Bhav Haive Shabhav. Our nature we have to establish as Braja Gopis. What is the mood of Braja Gopis? Under any circumstances, like our 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Aniketa sthira moti bhaktiman me priyanara. Under any circumstances whose mind have been fixed towards me, he is my dear. Am I right? Your mind have been fixed towards Krishna, right? Alakananda, yes or no?
Right.
Why I am telling so? She is master of computer. She used to work in New York. She left job for practicing sadhana and coming to India. And she left everything. Am I right or wrong? So anyway, this is the meaning, that then as soon as Bhurida Bhurida bole kore alingan, iho nahi jane iho hoy kon jan. Such a ecstatic mood, Lord Chaitanya God, when showing that he manifesting past time like that, he doesn't know, he has static mood. Bhurida Bhurida, he embraced King Prataparudra. Doesn't know who is it. Actually, Hari Katha and Lord Hari also not different. Hari Katha means wherever pure devotee giving discourses, that Hari Katha and Supreme Lord is not different. Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta in Gaudiya, he says, if anyone have no taste for Hari Katha, we will not expect his duration to stay in temple. Means, he says, তার মঠবাসের হরিকথা যে রুচি নাই তার মঠবাসে স্থায়িত্ব আশা করা যায় না. You shouldn't expect he will stay in temple. Definitely he will leave. That is Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta explained in Gaudiya. If someone not interested to listen Harikatha, we will not accept, we will not expect that he will stay in temple. We should not expect. Anytime he will leave. Even physically he may be in temple, but actually he is not in temple. And my spiritual master also add one more. Hari Katha and Harinam. If person have no interest, we should not expect that person will stay in temple or practice spirituality. So Bhurida means real, giving real charity. করিয়া লিঙ্গন পূর্ব সেবা দেখি তারে কৃপা উপজিল অনুসন্ধান বিনা কৃপা প্রসাদ করিল পূর্ব সেবা দেখি তারে কৃপা উপজিল. Because King Pataparudra did lots of service for devotees, Lord Chaitanya devotees. Purva Seva. Therefore, devotees are very merciful on him. Devotees trying to insist, like Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. He was insisting him, go, right? Gopinath Acharya. All the devotees, they are pleased with the nature of, to see the nature of King Pataparudra. Vaishnavero avedane Krishna dayamoy. If Vaishnava prays something, pure devotee, prays something for us, although we are not eligible to get it, Lord will arrange it. We are not eligible to get Harinam, but on our behalf, pure devotee or Gurudev request to Lord. Therefore we have Harinam. That is the conception. Purva Seva dekhi tare kripa upajila. All this service towards Vaishnava. Kripa upajila. Mercy. Come down to him. Anusandhan bina kripa prasada korilo, without inquiry, whatsoever he performed. But he did. Lord knows everything. What he had said. Anushandan bina kripa prasada korilo. Without inquiry, prasad means mercy come down. এই দেখো শ্রী চৈতন্যের কৃপা মহাবন, তার অনুসন্ধান বিনা করায় অসফল। Lord Chaitanya, without discrimination, what I am doing, what I am past, like Jagai Madhai. Like all we are, I am also Jagai Madhai, one of Jagai Madhai. My nature is like was Jagai Madhai, maybe I am now also still Jagai Madhai. But by the grace of my spiritual master, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, and Lord Chaitanya, as well as all Guru Vargas, I am all of you arrange this chair to sit on above you, but I am not eligible to sit. So, ei dekho Chaitanyera kripa mahabal, great power. Whose power? Now, this is Chaitanya's mercy, such a powerful. Without discrimination, they just distributing mercy when society was totally in turbulence. Lord Chaitanya, when he appeared, society was in turbulence. King tortured the civilian. Brahmin was hating to all the lower caste. Someone calling me, just. Okay. What is that? So, civilian. Brahmin was such a manner he used to hate all the other caste, even the shadow touching. Your shadow, you are not Brahmin background. If your shadow touched to Brahmin's body, they feel impure. Such a manner. Yeah, it was that situation. Therefore, I am using this. When society was in turbulence. Checking. At that time, Lord Chaitanya appeared and he just making the bridge. Before the bridge was broken between Brahmin and other caste, civilian and king, make a bridge, proper manner. All the caste consciousness gone from the time of Lord Chaitanya. Everybody, no, there is you can see there is explanation. বিপ্র নহে যদি অসৎ পথে চলে, আর শূদ্র নহে যদি কৃষ্ণ বলে। Vipra means Brahmin. He will not consider to be Brahmin if his path is dirty. Asat means not following the Brahminical path. Like nowadays you can see, he told me that here Kerala Brahmin, they are taking beep. About they are also chanting Govinda, Govinda. If they worship Govinda, Govinda will appear or not? And Haridas Thakur, just look, Haridas Thakur. He born where? In Brahmin family. Actually, it was previously a Brahmin, but Shastra says he is Muslim. Previously, he was Brahmin, which was forced, that family was forced to become Muslim. So, but Shastra says, Chaitanya Bhagavat says, that Jat kul sab nirarthak bujaite, Jonmilen Haridas Jaban kulate. In order to make understand people, caste, family caste, creed, everything meaningless in this iron age of deception. Therefore, Haridas Thakur, Brahma, he appeared in the family, in a Muslim family. So, if Sudra, dog-eater family, if they are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Sudra na jadi Krishna bole, they will not consider it Sudra. In this regard, I given one story, not story, fact. There is a Lomas Rishi, full of body hair. He is totally disgusted with his lom in the body hair. Then what happened? One day he saw a dream. If you take grains, if you eat grains in Shudra house, you are able to get rid from this all the body hair, big body hair. So he chose the dog-eater family. Bad. But Badini means husband, wife of this family, although they are Shudra, but by nature they are very pious. Because Rishi come to take grains in their home, so they prepare very carefully, a pious manner, everything, but he took nothing fall, no body hair fall after taking. He was thinking, my dream is useless. Then again he saw that dream. Why? What dream? Although you look, the family is Shudra, but by nature they are not Shudra. Then he saw the Ajamil, although he was born in Brahmin family, but by nature he was Shudra. When he took grains, Ajamil home, then all body hair fall, and he become happy. Then Ajamil's prostitute, or which prostitute with him, that have one baby. Then Lomas Rishi says, it will be boy, please keep the name, your boy's name, in Narayan. It will be helpful for you. So my point is this, actually you should not discriminate which caste you belongs to. Most important, we are justifying the purification, your person is really purified or not, how much you have interest to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, how much you have faith on Vaishnava. That is most important. Anyway, so Mahaprabhu destroy all the castes. Kali Yuga. Nowadays you can see those Brahmin who is eating beef, Kerala Brahmin, I don't know how Brahmin. They are Brahmin. If they invite you, will you take prasadam there? No? Prabhu, you will take prasadam there? Look, working. Mahaprabhu's teaching is working.
They're thinking they won't take food in my house.
Yeah. Yeah, rather they can take. This is the Mahaprabhu's technology. Make everyone, through Harinam, they make everyone high caste. Equality. Prabhu, I think I spoke a long time here. And also Maharaj is there. 6 o'clock temple closed.
Already 6 now.
No, this you told him that 6 o'clock temple closed.
Oh, there.
Hmm?
Here is written 2 to 6.
Oh my God.
Yes, yes, written in there we saw this, no? Yes. 8:30 to 12, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.
हाँ ताव तो जा जाओ ना anyway take prasad after that take prasad I will go some just walk today doctor say you have no disease whatever diabetics because you are taking diabetic pill therefore you get diabetic stop gradually told me like that today the doctor I went another doctor he came to take me from here. I have such a clean clinic. I asked him how much you are charging per day. 5,000 rupees. Really? To stay, all the charge 5,000 per day. And how much you will charge for me? I said, no. Yeah, I need your blessings. Name Satyajit. Very nice. He gave me all the modern machine is there. He check everything. Pulse he checks himself, and then he check with the machine pulse. Then he give the seat. The seeds are coming from that. And give me all 2 medicine only. You can stop all the medicine. You have no disease. He told me like this.